members that it's good to give and to pay it forward. Last year was a good showing, and today we have even just double that. Can't wait till next year.
Sponsoring our car show, our annual car show, and I'm excited to show you that we have approximately 60 cars that donate their time and money to our students, and we get to purchase toys for our children for our Christmas event. I just want to thank Desi personally. It's been a wonderful partnership. This is our second year working with Miss Jinzo and her team, and I appreciate everything they do for our students. Thank you for coming out.
Bringing a lot of joy to the community by doing a car show, a toy drive, and also having a workshop for the community to inform them and educate them on the services that are available to the community through the regional center.
Back in the day, it was unheard of to see one car club hang out with another car club. As you can see, today we have probably about 10, 12 different car clubs. And everybody just gets along. And as you can see, they're all here to give. You know, they don't ask no questions. They don't ask, is there trophies, is there awards going on? You know, but here we are.
All right, my name's Ernie G, Veteranos Car Club. We've been around for about 6 years, and we're here today at Montebello. As you can see, we have toys over here. This is our second annual, and I love coming here to help out these kids. So we try to support as much as we can.